for a special 3-year-old. Look at all the gifts that came from a bunch of people that love her so much. Thank you, you guys, for making her day special. I just wish you all could have been here. Happy birthday, Cam. What is all this? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
3-year-old.
Yay! I wonder what's inside, Mom. I wonder what's inside.
Inside what?
Those presents.
That's from Nan. Remember Nan? Ooh, what is that?
Look at these.
Ooh, what are those?
I don't know.
Those are hairbands.
Lizzo.
This is from Sandra and Rebecca.
Oh, you don't want to see?
Mm-hmm.
Do it.
Look at these balloons. Yay! Yay!
What do you think?
Thank you.
What is this?
Kimberly, look at this pretty coat from Rebecca.
And where are shoes?
I don't know. We'll have to get some to match. Look at the doll. That's from Sandra.
Cabbage Patch. Oh,
There's just too many.
that means Daddy got that for you.
Okay.
I wonder what's inside.
Open it up. Get everything out.
Not yet.
Go ahead.
You may. Yeah. Fine.
Ooh.
Whoa. Pull it out. All the way.
Actually, that's from Grandma Mary, actually. That's Grandma Mary's gift.
Good job. Good idea.
I wonder what inside it is. I wonder.
What is that? Cards from Grandma
Okay.
Grandpa.
This is from Grandma Mary, too. This one you're going to be excited. Daddy, you want to help her? Tie the ribbon off?
Oh, look at this.
What is that?
Where's the Mom?
You love them?
Yeah.
What are those?
May I wear them?
You may.
Say thank you, Grandma Mary.
Thank you, Grandma Mary. What's inside in here?
What you got on your feet, Kim?
Ooh,
From Grandma Mary. Aren't they pretty?
I wonder what's inside.
Let's see. Those are your birthday cards. One's from Grandpa, Great Grandpa.
Those are birthday wishes.
They came from Great Grandpa.
Okay, can you open it? What are the
This is
presents?
from Uncle Steve and Aunt Cat. Need help?
How it open it, Mom?
Find those cracks.
There. There's a big gap. Jeffrey the giraffe wraps really well.
Ooh, comfy.
Comfy. What?
Yes.
Those look like leggings for ballerina.
What's those?
They're leggings for a ballerina.
No missing.
They go with your tutu. Ooh.
Now, one car. Oh, that one good. Dad, can you take it off? And then that you put it right here. Here we go. Now I need one more stick.
Kim, what are you eating for dinner?
Nothing.
No, that's not nothing. What is that?
A burger.
Do you know where we are?
A
A burger place. At In-N-Out? Oh, it's heavy.
Kelly.
Do you know what this is?
No.
It's a paint easel.
Yeah. There are paints in it.
Well,
Here we are. Huh? Are you okay?
Yeah. Grandpa's sick.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
I want you to
I'm
stay
okay.
on bed.
You stay in bed, see? Oh my God, you're going in that one? Wow,
No.
that's pretty. You're really...
May I wear them, Mom? May I
cranking them
wear
out.
Oh,
them?
look at
May
those pretty shoes.
I wear
Oh,
them,
my
Mom?
goodness.
May I wear them?
Pretty shoes.
yeah, you can. What else is in there? There's something else in there, I think.
Oh, well,
I think.
No.
No, it's empty. This is from Uncle Steve and Aunt Cat.
I wonder what's inside. I wonder what's inside.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
Oh,
It's a house.
look. It's a dolly house. Oh.
Look at the front. What is it, Kimberly?
A new house.
My first dollhouse.
From last year.
Oh,
Opening gifts.
yeah.
Her attention was just on the paper.
Can you rip this off? Can you
We will. We'll take everything off. This is from Uncle Steve and Aunt Cat.
I wonder what's inside. I wonder what's inside.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
Oh,
It's a house.
look. It's a dolly house. Oh.
Look at the front. What is it, Kimberly?
A new house.
My first dollhouse.
From last year.
Oh,
Opening gifts.
yeah.
Her attention was just on the paper.
Can you rip this off? Can you take
We
it?
will. We'll take everything off so you can see.
There's so much clothes in here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Can you take this off?
We will, but you gotta blow out your candles first.
Make
Make
a
a
wish.
wish.
Make a wish.
Yay, Kimberly.
One for you.
Thank you.
One for you.
What is she sharing
you,
so
baby.
nicely?
One for you.
But one for you. Ooh, they stinky. Okay, I'll take it.
Thank you.
Now that looks yummy.
Can you take it off?
Sure.
Yeah.
Oop, sorry, babe. And this was like a ring. It goes on your finger. Big giant ring. Happy birthday, sweetheart. Okay. Daisy, what happened? How come you got stuck? What happened? Did Kimberly block you in? You're not happy, huh?
I want Daisy, Mom.
Go up.
Dad?
Daisy.
Dad?
Daisy, princess dog.
I want
You want out?
I want
Do you want out?
Stand.
Your dog is stuck.
She's stuck in all those balloons already.
That's silly. Can you let her out?
Yeah.
Just throw some of the balloons up. That's a good idea. Just move those balloons. That's a good idea.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
May I sleep with this?
You may sleep with Mara Aubrey. This is her Cabbage Patch doll that she got from Sandra, and she really loves her already. Hi, Mara. Hello. She's gonna watch. Oh, you're gonna. Aw. Okay. Okay. All right. How are we doing? Is she almost out?
Yeah.
Is Daisy almost free?
2 colors.
2 colors. What color is that?
I don't know.
You don't know? Pink?
Purple.
Purple. Kind of hard. It's okay.
Which it?
It's all
Here it goes. Oh,
Okay, Monica.
And only
don't care, Daisy.
only our generation would get the Monica thing, huh?
Oh.
Oh, she got out. She's free.
Oh,
Woohoo!
that is great. Yes, it's rich on the couch.
All right. Thank you for getting her out.